The court order comes barely 24 hours before National Assembly's Legal Affairs Committee tables a report on the conduct of 6 Judicial Service Commissioners, including Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, Justice Mohammed Rossame, Reverend Samuel Kobia, Professor Christine Mango, Justice Emily Ominde, and Florence Mwangangi, who could be recommended for removal from the Commission. High Court Judge George Odunga has certified a petition by the JSC as urgent and says until the matter is heard and determined starting Friday, then the report should not be tabled.
Staying in further proceedings by the Departmental Committee of the Justice and Legal Affairs of the National Assembly from taking any action with respect to the petition filed by Riungu Nicholas Mugambi seeking the removal of 6 commissioners of the Judicial Service Commission pending inter partes hearing.
JSC says the Legal Affairs Committee and by extension Parliament lacks the powers to interfere with JSC's administrative functions and is also inferior to the Judicial Service Commission and therefore cannot summon it. It further argues that the removal of 6 JSC members is unconstitutional and tantamount to paralysing the Commission and by extension the judiciary's activities. But the question remains, will the High Court order be binding to the National Assembly? Just who is superior to who in the 3 arms of government? Already the National Assembly felt belittled when JSC snubbed their summons and instead sent a lawyer. A precedent of sorts has already been set before, with Kenneth Marende, the Speaker in the 9th Parliament in February 2011, overruling a High Court order that barred state organs from debating controversial nominees to key constitutional offices by then-President Mwai Kibaki.
The 2 institutions are distinct and separate and have separate constitutional mandates. None, honourable members, is beholden to the other.
The report in question stems from petitions by Brian Nyong'o and Leonard Kamwiti. JSC did not show up to respond to the allegations. National Assembly's Legal Affairs Committee also received written submissions from former Judiciary Chief Registrar Gladys Sholei, who accused the 6 of gross misconduct and interfering with her job then as the Chief Registrar. But the JSC maintains that Sholei is guilty of abuse of office and corruption, grounds which the Commission says led to her sacking. Hussein Mohammed, Citizen Live at 9.